Garage cooking challenge is a salmon and cheese omelet with some cooked potatoes with onions. I'll use a slice of bacon, get some grease in the pan, and it'll all come together, and I'll have a croissant with it inside. Take some cheese, and this is a cheese grater that I just got at Target. It has 2 legs on it. It's made by OXO, I think is the company, but it's much better than the ones I've had in the past. And there's some bacon to get started in the pan. That'll give me some grease to cook the potatoes in. Cut up the potatoes and the onion. And I cut these in little cubes like. They look like this. Now I'll cut some onion up. Get that in there. Get the eggs ready to go. I've got the salmon in the pan now, and I will put the potatoes and bacon and onion under here to keep it warm. And this should cook pretty quickly. Now around this little bit of salmon, I'm going to want to keep whole, but mine I'm going to chop up so I can put in the omelet. Putty knife is perfect for this. I rounded the edges on my grinder so it will fit in the corners. Okay, I'm going to change pans for the omelet. I'm using this pan because the eggs don't stick in it. I'll put these eggs in there. Wrap them. Okay, it's simmering now. I'm going to season it a bit. Pepper. Salt. I'm letting the omelet cook like that. Turn the heat down now. And then I'll fold it over. fold it over. Too bad. Great breakfast. And I'll take Rhonda's little piece of salmon into her. There we go.